Who is this?
Jeff
Jeff
Rosenstock.
Who the fuck is Linus Tech Tips and why did he just message me?
What the fuck?
Gage, are you making
that's
fun of the
kinda
most
twisted.
tragic event in American history? That's really insensitive of
Are you
you,
making
especially
fun of
on
a
the
tragic
upcoming
event
20th
in
Actually,
anniversary.
American
the- you stop running
history?
around? The 20th anniversary is coming up in like a week, dude.
Yeah.
I don't
Come
really
on,
care.
What is Sandy Hook?
Sit in a little cage.
Gage would shoot up Sandy Hook and be happy about it.
What?
I heard it, yeah, he would.
Holy shit. Drew Berger.
Don't say that.
Drew
Actually, a
Berger.
do you Bazaar?
It's a Drew Berger.
I want to hear. I want to hear
It
it.
translated to with just my name.
Drew Berger. Berger.
Wait, I thought it's
Racism? Yo, Drew is racism? Oh my god! This is literally factual.
Could get.
Dude, I'm comboing this motherfucker like a motherfucker.
I went outside because I heard a bunch of little kids. I thought my family was home.
It's
These
a
are the
joke?
top 5 worst names for boys.
Nope.
If you're named one of these, then shut the hell up. At number 3 is Ethan.
Ooh,
You just
Ethan!
sound like the biggest white boy ever. At number 2,
What?
I remember you
What
making
the
this.
fuck?
This
Running
game is
this, bro.
epic.
This game is so good.
What the fuck?
That's the owl noise for anyone that doesn't know.
Dude, this is like a frame perfect fucking hole, dude.
Ow. Ow.
No, did I get it? Okay, okay.
It's possible.
We see
You
you
should go
got
backwards
black
to the
ops.
walls.
It's okay. though.
Oh my gosh, they put the seed in, they put the seeds in,
Oh
they
my
put the Fortnite
god.
in, they put the ball.
Why would you put the tap halfway up the melon?
Oh
You're
my
not getting
gosh,
half
why
of
would you
the
I
do
don't
juice.
know.
this?
That shit's not gonna work.
Why would you put that hat on? Why who puts those hats on?
Fucking dumbass, bro.
Why would you use a knife?
What the hell?
Not even on your fingers? What are you doing?
Why, dude? Those are not strawberries. You're supposed to use grape.
5 Minute Crafts only makes videos to bait you into saying stuff like this.
Why are you even using a cutting board? Hello?
Why are you
What?
doing that, huh?
What happened? They fucking broke them. Why are they
Why
breaking
would
the
they
crackers
break
up?
them? They're supposed to be whole.
Milk and caramel? Evaporated milk? Why did you put evaporated in there if it already?
you guys like
milk?
carbonated
Like, I don't understand what's going on here. This just doesn't make any sense at all.
It seriously doesn't.
Oh my gosh.
I think a
Isn't
better
that hot,
interpretation
bro?
of it
Oh
is
my
just
gosh,
gonna
wait,
eat
wait,
it
why
hot?
would you, wait, why would
Pretend
you
this is
ever
your
pour
brain and
something
you
on
have
something
ADHD.
else? It doesn't make sense.
Like,
Dude, imagine
that's the only thing I
pouring
can think
it.
of.
Need some good aim training.
That is so useful.
Well, that's a good one. I'll just figure out how to change clothes instantly.
You should turn it on to deathmatch.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
That's how
That's how you
shred
dice an onion. What the fuck? Everybody knows that.
Oh, she in there like shit her pants?
He just, what
See
the
their fans.
He sounded like excited for that. What?
Vano spray is a lot like harder.
Oh, I hit you 3 times? Oh my lord.
One away, man.
Rap music?
I was like, it's just like base.
How many shots? It shouldn't be like 2.
Takes 4 to the body. Yo, is this a flower? Is this a fucking time bomb? Are you making a bomb?
You're gonna have to like rip the bag to get it off.
Oh shit, there you go.
You should go into one of your
Gage,
classes
where am
doing
I right
that
now?
and like try to draw as much attention to yourself as possible.
Wait, Drew's camera's on?
I
Is
don't
he
know
wearing the
fonts, I just
plastic
know
bag?
where you are.
Turn around, Drew, turn around. Holy shit.
Why is he wearing a
Guys, it
bag?
works.
Yo, that's pretty good.
He's got the bag pack.
Yo, what's
Bro,
up
he
with
hit
his
the
ass though?
stanky
Why is it so
arm.
fat? Holy
Beat again,
shit.
bro, we aim higher.
You see that?